Alright, Luigi, let's go.
Sure, never say one.
There's the reveal. Magically gone, Luigi. Ooh. Luigi, get up. Is this the place? Yes, this is the place. Now you must come in. Alright, let's go, Luigi. Oh, poor Luigi. Would you guys like your receipt? No, like Yoshi, we don't. We'll climb on the river. We'll climb right up here. Sure, because nothing makes sense, Mario. I landed in water. I'm okay. I'm too tired for this. Alright, Luigi, we gotta jump. Can I just wall kick? Oh yeah, I forgot you can do that. Well, I'm just gonna jump. Right. So apparently, I'm gonna get replaced by new people. I'm not gonna be the new Mario Brothers anymore. What has to say about this one? Mario. I'm too tired for this. Wait, what? Wait. Oh, Luigi! Ha 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 ha! So you guys are getting replaced. By what? Oh no! I can't wait for retirement. Oh boy. By what? Luigi? Let's see the new Mario Brothers. Yo, what's up, chat? What? Kai's the net and I show speed. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, those are gonna be the new Mario Brothers. Well, in that case, I guess I gotta retire. Oh no, Mario. We're gonna retire. Oh, I'm tired. Oh wait, Luigi, no! No, Luigi, no! Wait, what? Oh, she guys are getting replaced now. She guys are new Mario Brothers. Oh, I'm going to go to sleep.